Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick video on how to assemble this puzzle here. Alright. So in a way it's pretty similar to the one that I did earlier, but this one has a bunch of pieces, and all of these pieces, unlike this one, all these pieces are exactly the same. So to assemble this puzzle, people usually get stuck on trying to do things like this, which doesn't work. So what you want to do instead is try to align the triangles to the triangles in there. So that's what we're trying to do here. And as you can see, there's a triangle in there. This face needs to connect to that face, and you just sort of tuck it in like that. And the rest is kind of simple. It all sort of fits in the same way with the same kind of strategy. So if you tip it like this and do the same thing, it makes it a lot easier. There we go. And now do the same thing on this side. Tips in like that. Right. In this particular case, it's probably better to do this one first. Otherwise, it kind of closes you out. There you go. Now the only tricky part is getting this one in here. And it's not because it's actually difficult or anything. It's because these are wooden pieces, unlike these ones that were rubber. So they don't have as much give. So kind of a squeeze here. This is the trickiest part. Right there. Just getting this last piece in. Just trying to widen this so that the whole thing doesn't collapse. That's why it's difficult. It doesn't like to hold its shape. Okay. Maybe I got it. There we go. So there you have it. That's how you assemble this puzzle. And of course, if it's made out of rubber, it's a whole lot easier. I hope you enjoyed this video and it is helpful to you.